What do you do if you feel lonely and depressed and you feel like nobody understands you and nobody listens to you? Depression, loneliness, being misunderstood, anxiety, concerns about the future, low self-esteem, these are the kinds of things that are eating away at humanity today. Right? So comparison is eating away at our societies. Lack of purpose is eating away at our societies. One thing that we do have in our religion is actually some general answers that apply to everybody for us to be in a better emotional place. The general principles actually have to do with certain attitudes. The Quran was telling us about a sense of purpose. أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا. Did you think we made you without purpose? You can have everything, but if you feel like you have no purpose, if you don't have a goal other than yourself, not just for your outside, but for your inside, if you don't have such a goal, it's going to be very hard for you to find even peace.